What's going on? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2003 Kawasaki Vulcan 800. For a 2003 15-year-old bike, it's in pretty good shape. This bike's got black pearl paint. I think these are added. I can just tell by how it's placed on there. Just looks like it's been added on there. So some of the clear coat is a little faded around the tops of the tank badges. Same thing with the actual badge itself. Some of the black is rubbing up. Other than that, the fork legs are a little oxidized, and there's a little scuff on top of this switch housing. Everything else looked pretty good. The paint's in good shape. A few little faded spots on it. It's a 2003 800cc carbureted V-twin 5-speed transmission, chrome staggered pipes. It is liquid cooled. It's got forward controls, wire wheels. Changed the engine oil on this bike, added a battery tender pigtail. Runs and rides great. And it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. Test rode it, made sure everything was working. Gave it a professional detail. Wash. It's been buffed, it's been waxed, all the chrome pieces have been polished. Cleaned up pretty good for an 03. So it is carbureted. There's your petcock, there's your choke. This bike's only got 5,195 miles. That is extremely low for the year model. Front tires brand new. Rear tires in good shape. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There's a little rub mark on the taillight lens. It's chain driven. It's got drum brakes in the rear. Single disc in the front. It's a real simple design. Maintenance is going to be real simple. Parts are going to be cheap. This is a real good, affordable bike. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. And also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.